Today, for the Bitcoin price with DavinciJ15, we are with the price of Bitcoin trading right now in this crucial range, which provides massive trading opportunity according to DavinciJ15. We will talk about that, but even more important, zooming out into the longer term, Michael Novogratz and also Willy Woo are saying that the price of Bitcoin has to bounce more than $1,000 to 8,300 US dollars, as you can see right here, just to confirm that the December will not be bearish. They are also saying if we were to stay below 8,300 US dollars, December will be bearish AF and we will test for new lower local bottoms. Today we will also discuss with DavinciJ15 what he thinks about that, and his answer, his opinion will actually surprise you. So make sure you stay here, make sure you stay tuned, make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, we want to come to the most important question of today. DavinciJ15, how are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great. I'm waking up early, working out, and I just haven't lost the amount of weight I'd like to lose, but I'm feeling good about what I'm doing right now. So yes. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, very well. Always when you are doing well, I'm doing well as well. Because your skin is shining. You lost weight actually, so don't play yourself. It's actually going really well. But that being said, health is working out. What about the wealth? Let's go into the Bitcoin price and see what the charts tells us actually.
Yeah, let's take a look at the short-term price action. And as you can see here, we're trading in a current range and trying to find a direction. Bitcoin's a little nervous right now, doesn't know what to do, right? Just finished dumping on everybody, right? All the rich billionaires, they went and bought up all these coins here because, you know, people want, the weak hands started selling. And so at this point, they're like, okay, I don't know, should I sell all my coins, right? Should I wait for a higher price to sell my coins? That's what we are right now. We're in a decision-making moment. And you can trade this either way. You can wait for a breakout at the top here at the 7,380, or at the bottom, which is roughly around $7,035. And if we were to break down, you could take a short all the way down. I wouldn't take it all the way to new lows. Exactly. I would probably go to the 78.6. You can see there's a nice little breakout W here. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market comes back down to retest the 78.6, which is the $6,703 mark.
Sounds bearish in the short term.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have to go that way. It can go either way right now. It's still deciding on which way to go. All right. With that said, let's take a look at the larger time frame.
Exactly, and let me mention something. Let me mention something here. We are now on the weekly. Before we were on the 15-minute. And guys, you can also let us know what you think about this trading strategy and about the range we are trading in. Very important. If you want to have that trading set up, you can just go to the pinned comment, and if you go here to the pinned comment, you will also find our Telegram community in the pinned comment. If you just scroll down a little bit, so just click on show more and join our Telegram community. It is for free and it will always remain for free, and you get the trading setups of DaVinci in absolute real time. And yeah, let's go to the weekly DaVinci. And also, as I mentioned previously, and you want to share your own thoughts about that also, obviously, that Mike Novogratz, this very nice guy here, he's always bullish just like me, and also Willy Woo, were actually pointing out that there's a very crucial point for Bitcoin right now at 8,300 US dollars. And they are saying that we have to close the November 2019 above 8,300 US dollars, or we are likely to have a bearish December. And what Willy Woo is saying, to test new lows. I think he means local lows below 6,500. Most probably, don't think that he's talking about 3,100, but still, that sounds very bearish. What do you think about that assumption? Are you thinking the same as 8,300 crucial? And what do you think has to happen that we are not seeing that bearish scenario?
Well, let's just take a look at what would happen if we were to go up to 8,300 right here. This is right about here. That would effectively print, if we were to close this weekly candle, this would effectively print a weekly candle. If we were to close the month out, effectively print the candle as what's called a railroad tracks. basically this red candle would be equal to the green candle, and that would be bullish, very bullish. But it would require the second candle, which is the next week candle, to actually break above the previous candle.
Okay.
For make a confirmation. And with so much bears, I bet you those bears would freaking short this thing as AF, right? To make sure that this thing does not break above the previous week, because that would be a huge breakout signal on that candle if it were to break higher. So I don't see that happening. I don't see us getting up here. It could happen, can happen. Not saying it won't.
Hopefully
right?
it will. It's just about the likelihood, right?
Yeah, exactly. It's not impossible. If we were to add the what's it called, the 13 EMA, you can see that we're far away from the 13 EMA, and I wouldn't be surprised if we come back and test it.
Yeah, but also having the second candle after this week's candle actually to confirm that bullish momentum, it would actually also be above the 13-week 13-week EMA if we were to have that second green candle in a row, right?
Well, it depends. I mean, this candle also helps print the 13 EMA, so it might be a little bit higher.
Yeah.
But yeah, I would say we would be very close to it. We would be like, breathing on the 13 EMA, which would look very bullish, but we would have to wait for the confirmation candle. And so you could pretty much sell the breakout. If we break above the highest point in this candle, if we close up here, that would be serious bullish. You should buy that and go and see what happens.
Yes, I like to hear that. So putting that together, all in all, you just need a Monday or Tuesday or so, I don't know, at least from the following week to confirm that movement. It's not the whole weekly candle, right?
Exactly.
Oh, okay. So that sounds, even though it's not the most likely scenario, it sounds at least a little bit more likely. So thank you so much for that, DaVinci. Also for everyone right now, what is your specific prediction for the Bitcoin price for the end of the year? There is a poll popping up on top of the screen right now. Make sure you click it and let us know whether you think we will be above 8,000, above 9,000, or below 7,000. Make sure you take your guess. It would be just amazing what the people think. And I mean, going on Twitter, it really looks bearish AF, the whole sentiment. So we want to know what the MMCrypto community, the MMCrypto family actually thinks. And before we go into the very important outro talks, I want to mention something, because on the 28th of November, the Bybit Games kind of thing starts. And we have an MMCrypto team. And if you want to take part, you can take a cut, or you can win a cut of the 100 Bitcoin in a giveaway if our team wins. And also you get 20% off your trading if you are trading anyways, even if you're not interested in the competition. If you sign up for the team, you get 20% off, so that makes sense. And you also get $50 just for clicking this specific link and signing up for our team. So if you are doing that, you get also $50 for free only here with our link. And in addition to that, you might be thinking, I'm joining the biggest team, that makes the most sense, or like one of the biggest teams. That makes sense for the likelihood of winning the prize because of the top 10, which are getting it, but also you are sharing your cut with more people, so your cut will be smaller. Going into a group of a mediocre size like our group, that will give you a very nice middle point. You will have a mediocre chance of winning, but also a higher cut from the whole pie. So make sure you click that. And also, if you are interested in our MMCrypto Travels, there is the Instagram account. If you click on it, you will find it's actually my personal account, but the MMCrypto account will follow soon. You will find all our crazy travels here, like Koh Samui, everything, Moscow, with DavinciJ15, even a lot of stuff, some pictures. So make sure you check it out, you give us a follow, and the MMCrypto account will follow soon. DaVinci, sorry for all this talks here in the end, but now we want to come to some very important updates, if you have them, about Pandora's wallet or anything else you would like to share.
Yeah, I was just having a meeting, finished the meeting as you called, and we're really happy with what Pandora's wallet right now. It's finally after moving all the servers, we had a little bit of issues with the sending transactions. Now that's cleared up. Our transactions are sending perfectly every time, every day, no problem, and we're so happy about that. We are looking forward to moving Pandora's wallet forward. We're going to be focusing on adding exchanges and adding coins through the exchanges, so that you could have this wallet, so that if we don't have all the coins, right, you'll still be able to trade through our wallet via the exchange, and that's what one of the things we're going to be working on next.
That's amazing, because it provides people the opportunity to trade with more coins, and yeah, it also provides the people with the opportunity to have like literally all coins which are connected on the exchange without you necessarily having to implement it into Pandora's wallet. So everyone who is interested in that, there's a link in the description down below. You get a 30 days free trial, and we were actually already checking it out. The product is getting better and better every single day, and it is actually already close to perfect. So DaVinci, thank you so much for working so hard on that. And yeah, also you will open soon your own Telegram alerts channel, not a group, but an alerts channel. Once you did that, and I will assist you with that, we will share that also in the description down below. That being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you also watch DaVinci's live episodes nearly every day on his channel, also in the pinned comment down below. And we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto, most probably tomorrow already. So make sure you hit the subscribe and also the bell. And that being said, DaVinci, any last words before we wrap it up?
Yeah, always bet very small amount and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, bye-bye.